Thank you for choosing the PureDrop UC15 Series under-counter water filter system. The systems are designed to provide a continuous supply of on-demand water for drinking and cooking from your tap. With proper installation and maintenance, this water filter system will provide clean and refreshing drinking water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Carefully read the precautions section on the user manual before beginning. Ensure all parts are included in your water system's package and that you have all the necessary tools ready. The system design fits common 3/8" NPT or 1/2" NPT. A convert fitting may be needed if you have a different size connection. Contact us if you have any product or installation-related questions. Installation. UC15 series are designed for under-sink use. Please clean out the space under the sink before installation. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply and open the faucet to release water and pressure in the line. Remove the existing faucet cold water supply line from the angle valve. Be prepared to catch water with the towel. Step 2. Insert a white tubing 1/2" deep into the system's water inlet connector. Insert the other end of the tubing to the 1/2" NPT female connector. Insert locking clips to secure the connections. Step 3. Insert a white tubing 1/2" deep into the system's water outlet connector. Insert the other end of the tubing to the 1/2" NPT male connector. Insert locking clips to secure the connections. Step 4. Ensure the O-ring is seated correctly. Connect the 1/2" NPT female thread to the angle valve. Use the included bushing to convert the connection if the angle valve is 3/8". Step 5. Connect the 1/2" male thread to the faucet cold water supply line. Apply plumber's tape if needed. Use the included bushing to convert the connection if the connection is 3/8". Ensure the O-ring is seated correctly inside the converter. Step 6. Slowly turn on the cold water supply valve. Check for leaks on all connections. Run cold water for at least 5 minutes to flush the system. Turn off the faucet when finished. The installation is now complete. Please note, mounting the system is not required. If you wish to mount the system on the wall, please use the included mounting stencil to set the mounting screws. Ensure the system is mounted at least 2 inches above the ground for easier access with future filter replacements. Filter replacement. Step 1. Turn off the cold water supply and turn on the faucet. Step 2. Twist the filter housing clockwise to detach the housing from the machine head. Be prepared to catch water with a towel. Step 3. Use the included wrench to remove the housing cap by turning it counterclockwise. Step 4. Take out and dispose of the expired filter. Ensure the filter cartridge O-rings are properly seated and insert a new filter into the housing. Step 5. Reinstall the housing cap and tighten it with the housing wrench. Do not over-tighten, as this might make future filter replacement difficult. Step 6. Twist the housing clockwise back onto the machine head. Step 7. Slowly turn on the cold water supply valve. Check for leaks on all connections and let the water run for at least 5 minutes to flush the new filter. Filter replacement is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.